Welcome to the Driller's Digest, presented by IDE, your source for insights, stories, and solutions from the field of drilling and geotechnical engineering. Thanks for joining us. Today's episode focuses on a powerful intersection of infrastructure and equity, affordable housing. Specifically, we're digging into how geotechnical solutions, like foundation systems, site prep, and subsurface analysis, play a pivotal role in making affordable housing both feasible and sustainable. Let's get started. Affordable housing isn't just a policy issue, it's a construction challenge. Developers are often working on tight margins, constrained urban or semi-urban lots, and less than ideal soil conditions. Here's the kicker: geotechnical oversight is often the first thing to get scaled back in the budgeting process. But ironically, poor soils, inadequate foundations, or overlooked groundwater issues can cause massive cost overruns later in the project lifecycle. At IDE, we've seen firsthand how early-stage geotechnical engagement can reduce risk, control costs, and accelerate timelines. Whether it's CFA piles for soft clay sites or displacement piles in dense urban cores, the right foundation system can mean the difference between a successful build and a logistical nightmare. Let's talk soil. Many affordable housing projects are built on brownfield sites, floodplains, or infill lots. These come with a host of subsurface unknowns. Think variable fill materials, high water tables, compressible soils, or even residual industrial contamination. Without thorough geotechnical investigation and appropriate mitigation strategies, these sites can suffer from differential settlement, require costly retrofitting, lead to legal liability, or even condemnation. Enter IDE. Our team works with developers and engineers to provide preliminary feasibility assessments, full geotechnical reports, and customized deep foundation designs that account for both performance and budget. One of the most impactful ways to support affordable housing is to choose the right foundation system. And the good news? Drilled and displacement pile technologies are cost competitive, rapid to install, and low on vibration, making them ideal for densely populated areas, sites adjacent to existing infrastructure projects on variable or unknown soils. For example, CFA or continuous flight auger piles are great for controlling spoil and managing noise. Displacement piles minimize excavation, reduce concrete volume, and keep surface disruption to a minimum. Helical piles work well for modular or prefab housing units with lightweight loads and tight footprints. In short, engineered geotechnical solutions make low-cost construction not just possible, but practical. Affordable doesn't mean short-term. In fact, most housing initiatives require developers to meet multi-decade lifespan standards, energy efficiency benchmarks, and environmental certifications. This is where geotechnical excellence pays off long-term. At IDE, we're helping teams select materials and designs with low embodied carbon, incorporate ground improvement to reduce total material use, monitor long-term settlement to prevent costly retrofits. It's not just about putting roofs over heads, it's about ensuring those roofs stay level, leak-free, and legally compliant for 50-plus years. So how do we connect federal and state-level affordable housing policy with on-the-ground geotechnical work? It starts with education and advocacy. At IDE, we're partnering with design-build teams during RFP phases, educating municipal planners on geotechnical cost-benefit trade-offs, developing turnkey foundation packages for modular and rapid deploy housing. We believe smart drilling is smart policy. And by investing in foundation science early, we can stretch public housing dollars further and serve more communities. That's a wrap on today's episode of the Driller's Digest. Remember, affordable housing isn't just about building faster, it's about building smarter. And that starts from the ground up, literally. If you're a contractor, engineer, or policymaker involved in affordable housing, get in touch. IDE is here to be your geotechnical partner, from soil borings to final pour. Be sure to follow us for more episodes, case studies, and expert insights. Until next time, drill smart, build strong.